slide over a little bit.
Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here. CJ Compton here at Post Road on P-O-S-T Road, as in you are making a post to someone. Well, not really, but that's what the road name this is. This is on Post.
Oh, well, anyway, we posted that, and that's we're gonna post this. The gates are going down.
My dad actually told me he was 1.5 miles. He was wrong.
No, he was about 1.5 miles.
Well, then why are they going down this early then?
Because he's motoring, Jack.
I doubt that. How many engines? Five engines, all right, folks. I'm glad I got to see this one while I have a chance.
Wow.
And tell them about our Saturday certificate. Say it again, they might not have heard you. Which means I'm gonna get a sunburn. And it's an intermodal train at that. How far is he buying to do? Road only about 1/2 mile. Well, then he put even everyone in. Oh. Are the cars able to go here at all? 5 engines, all right. Here in Newport, Michigan. Say it. I'm coming to you live from Newport, Michigan. What? Looks like it's got some lights on the end of the train for some reason. I don't know why. Or maybe that's just a reflection. Yeah, it was. It was just a reflection of the end of the train. Some on this train is the Norfolk Southern, I believe, the 222. This train starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads south to Toledo, Ohio, where it terminates. With 5 engines, which actually surprised me. All on this Sunday, June 23rd of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. So to roll it, I am so glad. Once again, I am so glad I was able to come back out here. I don't know if I had many requests on having more videos from this area. I know about the one at Elwell. I'll try to get that request in soon. As soon as possible. Anyway, roll it.